Baking soda has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine. This white powder, known as sodium bicarbonate, is commonly used today in baking and cooking, but it also has some surprisingly powerful health benefits for the body. It can help with things like relieving acid reflux, supporting kidney health, boosting the immune system, and much more. In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of drinking baking soda water daily, and I'll show you exactly how to use it properly and safely. You'll need a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, that's sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder, and 500 milliliters, which is about 2 cups, of cold water. Stir them together well and drink the mixture around midday, at least 1 hour before your lunch. Benefit number 1 of drinking this is preventing acid reflux. If you feel a burning sensation in your chest or throat after eating, you may be experiencing acid reflux. This happens when stomach acid splashes up into your food pipe and causes irritation. It's not just about having too much acid. It often happens because your food isn't digesting properly. When food sits in your stomach for too long, it puts pressure on the valve that's supposed to keep the acid down. Baking soda helps here because its bicarbonates trigger the flow of bile and pancreatic enzymes, which improve digestion. These enzymes help break down your food properly further down in the intestines, taking the pressure off the stomach and preventing reflux. In fact, baking soda was even included in soldier ration packs during World War I and II for this very reason. Benefit number 2 is detoxifying the kidneys. Your kidneys work hard every single day to filter toxins and waste out of your blood. But when uric acid builds up inside the body, it puts extra stress on the kidneys, which can lead to kidney stones, gout in the joints, and even high blood pressure. Drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed in water daily can help bring the pH level of your kidneys back to normal, making it easier for them to flush out excess acids and toxins. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda can slow kidney decline in patients with chronic kidney disease. That's why many doctors recommend it to help prevent gout attacks, avoid kidney stones, and support overall kidney function. Benefit number 3 is boosting the immune system. When parts of your body, like your intestines, become too acidic, it creates the perfect environment for harmful viruses, bacteria, and infections to grow. Baking soda helps with this by providing bicarbonate ions, which work to balance the pH levels in your body. As it breaks down during digestion, it also releases carbon dioxide, helping your body absorb oxygen more efficiently. This boosts the activity of your white blood cells, making it easier for your immune system to fight off pathogens and infections. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on the latest health and nutrition tips.